Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily read comments on threads. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and make sure the Threads app is updated for everything to work properly. After that, open the Threads app and make sure you are logged into your account, just like that. Now we need to go ahead and scroll down and find the thread or the post that you want to read the comments of. Now you might think that when you tap on the button that shows the comments, you'll be able to find them. But in this case, you'll need to have your account public. If you don't want to turn your account to public, just tap on this empty spot next to the thread or the post, wait for a couple of seconds, and voila, you'll find the comments. You can read them and interact with them right here, and you can do this to literally any thread or post on the app right here. Just tap on the empty spot, wait for a couple of seconds, and here are the comments. You can easily read them and basically do whatever you want to them right here. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.